Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the touchpad works on the new PlayStation Portal, because obviously on the DualSense controller we have a built-in touchpad. Also, I'm going to show you how click in works. So if you have a listen now, it makes this noise when we move around, but it makes this noise when we click. Yeah. Now let me connect to the PlayStation Portal. Now if you hit anywhere on the screen, you will see it will bring up these two pads down here. They're both touchpads, so it's not left and right, they are both full on touchpads. So can you see I can go across the whole range here and here. Yeah, so if you watch this, I can go that way, that way, that way, that way, and it's the whole touchpad here. So the idea is you just use your thumb here when you want to do it. Now if you want to hit in, if you tap it, it doesn't work. But if you double tap it, it does. But you've got to double tap it within a certain amount of time. So if I was to tap it like that and like that, it's not going to work. But watch this. There you go. Can you hear it makes that noise? Yeah. And this side. So there we go. So that's how you use your touchpads on the PlayStation Portal. And double tap to press in. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.